All right, I'm doing some outdoor canning today. So this is red onions with honey. It's a ball canning recipe. What you're going to do is you're going to coarsely chop your onions, and here's your first tip. I like to use a French fry blade with my chopper, and it makes these nice coarsely chopped pieces. You can also just slice your onions, and that works too. And then over here in this tea kettle, I have combined water, honey, and a little bit of wine, white wine. And I'm cooking that down. That is going to get poured over the onions in a jar. I'm canning outside today, so there's my Camp Chef. My jars are in my canner warming up. This batch only makes 4 jars, which I normally wouldn't run my canner for just 4 jars. I would be doubling the recipe. But I haven't tried it yet, and so I just wanted to make a small batch, and that's okay. I'll put more about small batch canning in a link in the article. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. Sweet onions. I think we'll use it like a condiment. I could probably put it over a roast in the crock pot. I think it's going to be pretty multi-use. I hope so. It's a great way to use up a bunch of onions. Thanks. We'll talk to you later.